There is a story of persistence behind every successful person, every successful team, every successful company. Any success story that's out there, there's a story of persistence behind it. No one and nothing succeeds without persistence. Recognize that if you have big dreams, if you want to do big things, you want to create new possibilities, life is going to test you. Life will test you without apology. And I believe that your persistence, your ability to keep on pushing regardless of the obstacles that you may come across, is the answer to life's challenges, life's tests. No matter what it is, it's only a test. And now you have to figure out how you're going to push yourself under, over, around these obstacles in order to realize your vision. Now, we talk about our team and just the steep learning curve that we had back in 1987, not knowing a sport, having no funding. I remember we were over in Austria, and we would walk into a club with a bag of shirts under our arm, boogie up beside a couple and go, "Hey man, you want to buy a shirt?" And oftentimes the guy says no, but the girl says yes, and we end up having dinner. More recently, as I worked to get to Nagano, January 1997, I'm in Calgary, and the coach says to me, "You know, Devon, if you don't find sponsorship by June, you should quit. You'll be chasing pipe dreams," he says. I agreed with him because I was so sure June would come and have my sponsorship. The whole conversation would have been a moot point. Well, June came, and guess what? I had no sponsorship. So I hung in there until August, and it just got so overwhelming that in that one instance I quit. I just had to give up. Give up? I don't know what it is. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to quit. So I didn't quit. Instead, I'm in Evanston, Wyoming. I'm training and coaching myself 8 hours a day. I'm delivering pizzas, myself and my 2 brakemen. And we just found a way to keep on going, man. I remember going to the track in the mornings, my right knee swollen 1.5 times the size, and I'm warming up, working my way through the pain on the first lap. And at the time, R. Kelly, the now infamous R. Kelly, had a song, "I Believe I Can Fly." And I'll be singing that, "I believe I can touch the skies." I'm working my way through the second lap. I'm singing, "If I can see it, I can be it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it." I have to admit, I'm as frustrated as hell, but I'm finding a way to keep going, right? September, October, November came. No sponsorship, man. December, no sponsorship. January 1998, weeks before it was time to go to the Olympics in Nagano, was when I signed a sponsorship out of Salt Lake City. I'm telling you, you must not quit. I am a 3-time Olympian in part. I didn't quit. Life is going to test you, but you have to develop the ability to endure in the face of all difficulty. So don't quit.